Sairam students, welcome back to your English New Voices class. Today we are going to do all the exercise of notebook and book in our fair notebooks and books. Okay, so let's begin with the notebook work first of chapter number 12, Whales in the Sky. On a new page in your English notebook, write down today's date, chapter 12, Whales in the Sky. Okay, then start writing the notebook exercise. Okay, don't write this in your notebooks. You just have to mention. I had just mentioned this to let you understand. Don't write this in your notebook. Okay, I'm going to start the notebook work now. Okay, first write down in the Roman number 1 and start new words. Okay, so the first new word is muznah. First new word is muznah. 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 Second is cauliflower. 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 Third is mustache. Mustache. Moustache. Mustache. Mustache. Next is crescent moon. Crescent. Crescent moon. Crescent moon. Crescent moon. And after this, excitedly. 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 Next is whales. 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 Next is dinosaur. 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 Next is floating. 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 Next is breathes. 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 Next is backstrokes. Backstrokes. Back. Backstrokes. Next is vivid. 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 Next is imagination. 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 Next is fountain. 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 Next word is gazes. 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 Last is tugged. Tucked. Tugged. Tugged. I'm going to repeat one more time. First is muznah, then cauliflower, then mustache, then crescent moon, excitedly, whales, then dinosaur, then floating, then breathes, then backstrokes, then vivid, then imagination, then fountain, then gazes, then tugged. Now leave one line and then start the next question, which is word meaning. So the first word meaning is giggles. What is the first meaning? Giggles. 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 Write down giggles. 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 So the meaning of giggles is laugh lightly. Write down laugh lightly. Laugh lightly. Next word is backstroke. Backstroke. Backsstrokes. Backstrokes. 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 So the meaning of backstrokes is Swimming while lie on one's back. Swimming while lie on one's back. First word is giggles, whose meaning is laugh lightly. Next word is backstrokes, whose meaning is swimming while lie on one's back. Now the next word, vivid. V-I-V-I-D, vivid. V-I-V-I-D, vivid. Answer of vivid is clear. Meaning of vivid is C-L-E-A-R, clear. C-L-E-A-R, clear. Now the next word, which is tugged in. T-U-C-K-E-D, tugged in. T-U-C-K-E-D-I-N, tugged in. So the meaning of tugged in is folded. F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. Next word is gills. G-I-L-L-S, gills. G-I-L-L-S, gills. So the answer is part of fish from where she breathes. Part of fish from where she breathes. Next is third. Leave one line and write in Roman numbers third. Third question is make sentences. What is the third question? Make sentences. Make sentences. So the first sentence is whales. Blue whale is the biggest sea animal. Blue whale is the biggest sea animal. First is whales. So the sentence with the whales is blue whale is the biggest sea animal. Second is giggles. Second is giggles. When I play with my grandfather, I giggles very much. When I play with my grandfather, I giggles very much. I'm going to repeat one more time. First one is whales, and the sentence with the whale is blue whale is the biggest sea animal. Blue whale is the biggest sea animal. Next is giggles. Next is giggles. When I play with my grandfather, I giggles very much. When I play with my grandfather, I giggles very much. Now the next, third. Third is floating. Third is floating. The boat is floating on the water. The boat is floating on the water. The boat is floating on the water. And the fourth is underwater. Underwater. Fishes lives underwater. Fishes lives underwater. Third is floating. The boat is floating on the water. The boat is floating on the water. Underwater. Fishes lives underwater. Fishes live underwater. Now the next, last one, fountain. Fountain. There is a fountain in my garden. There is a fountain in my garden. Fountain. There is a fountain in my garden. Now after this, leave one line and then write answer the following. Answer the following. So here is the first question of answer the following is, where do whales live? Where do whales live? So the answer is, whales live in the ocean. Whales lives in the ocean. First question is, where do whales live? Answer is, whales lives in the oceans. Whales live in oceans. Second question, why do whales not need gills to breathe? Why do whales not need gills to breathe? So the answer is, unlike fish, whale breathe air, they have a nose, full stop, while other fishes breathe through gills. While other fishes breathe through gills. I am repeating the question and answer again. Why do whales not need gills to breathe? Why do whales not need gills to breathe? So answer is, unlike fish, whale breathe air, they have a nose, full stop, while the other fishes breathe through gills, full stop. Next, Third, where is whale's nose located? Where is whale's nose located? Answer is a whale's nose is located on its back. A whale's nose is located on its back. Where is whale's nose located? Whale's nose located on its back. A whale's nose is located on its back. Now the fourth. How can we know from far away that a whale is breathing? How can we know from far away that a whale is breathing? Whale breathe, answer is whale breathe can be heard from far away, and each breath creates a fountain on its back. Whale breathe can be heard from far away, and each breath creates a fountain on its back. Now the question number 5. How does Dadu describes the size of whale? How does Dadu describes the size of whale? Answer is Dadu told Muznah that a whale's heart is so big that he would be able to sit inside it. Dadu told Muznah that a whale's heart is so big that he would be able to sit inside it. So this is all about the notebook work. Now we are going to perform the work in the book. So I am going to start the book work. You have to open your books and start with me. So the first question is, write true or false. You have to write true or false. So the first is, a blue whale is bigger than a camel. Yes, it is true. Write true, only T, only the initials T. Second is, which is need wings to swim. It's not which, it's fish. Sorry. Fish needs wings to swim. False. No, it is false. Second is F only. Fishes needs gills to breathe. Yes, it is true. Write true. T. Next is fourth. The whale has a nose on its head. It's true or false? False. It has nose on its back. Now the fifth. Whales can be heard only when you go close to them. When you go close only then you can hear the whales. No, we can hear the breath of the whales very far away. So it's false again. F. Now the next question. Arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Here given some words in the box. You have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. So with the alphabetical order, first word is bag because it has the B. B comes earlier. So write down bag first. Then eraser. Then after B, it's come C. There is no word with the C, no word with the D. Starts with the D. So write down the next word which is starts with the E. That is eraser. Next is, there is no word starts with the F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And after that, there is a word with the M which is marker. Which is marker. Then see, there is no word with the N, O, and the other words which is after that is with P. But there are two words with the P, so we can see the next second word which is A. A comes before E, so we write the paper first. Then we write the pencil because the second word is E, so E comes after the A. So the first we write the paper, then we write the pencil. Then is ruler because after P the next word comes ruler R, and the last is scissor. S comes at last. Scissors. Okay. Now the next question, which is fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. There is a fill in the blanks in which one has been done for you. First is, there is dirt on my shirt. My shirt is, you have to write these words again only. Dirty. Second, there are clouds in the sky. It is cloudy. Third is, this smell like fruits. It has fruity. She washed her eyes with water. Her eyes were watery. Okay. Now the fifth one. Mother added milk to the batter. The cake tasted milky. Okay. Now the next is, circle the correct words first. She talk or talks to him. You have to circle the correct word. She talk or talks to him. She talks to him. They likes or like Riya. They like Riya. Ram and Ritu go or goes to the park every day. Ram and Ritu go to the park every day. Circle on talks, like and go. Then the next. We do not like going for films. Mr. Sinha drives to his office. Bobby eats his lunch after. Next is the tables look or looks very nice. The tables looks very nice. Last is looks. Then the next. Fill in the blanks with using A and A. You have to use A or N and fill up the blanks. Like first is done for you. You know very well that we use N only with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So the first is I saw an elephant in the zoo because here E is used. Second is do you have a yellow ribbon because there is no no vowel. Third is Meena gave me a chocolate. Again there is no vowel. Fourth is I want an answer to this question. Here A is the vowel, so we use N here. My mother needs orange. Here O is the O is vowel, we use N here. Then a pear and an egg because again E is a vowel. Okay, first is A, then N, A, N. Okay. Now the next, fill in the blanks with A, N or the. See here. We use the before words that we have already spoken about. For example, she gave me a painting. The painting is beautiful. The words for which we had already spoken about. So, we write the before them. So, the first is I found an umbrella in the playground. We already had told about the umbrella. So, we use the umbrella belongs to Geeta. Second is we are going on a picnic tomorrow. We are going on a picnic tomorrow. Third is she bought a pair of shoes. We already had spoken about the shoes. Then we write the shoes are in the box. Next is do you think he will get me an engine because there is a vowel. Next is the gardener had given me a plant. Now we had talked about the plant, so we write the again for the plant. Where did you keep the plant? First is N, then the. Second is A. Third is A and the. Fourth is N. Fifth is A and the. Now the next, last. Fill in the blanks with do and does. You have to fill the blanks with the do and does. We know do is used for plurals and does is used for singulars. When do you like to eat dinner? Second is does she like to study in the morning? Third is what do they like to play? Fourth is does he go to school every day? Fifth is we do our homework every day. Sixth is this doll is broken. It does not have a head. Okay. Whenever we use the singular, we use does for the singular and do for the plurals. Now there is one activity for you, which is do it yourself. Imagine you are a young whale. You have to imagine that you are a whale, also called a calf. Whale is also whale's baby, or it's also called a calf. What is your life like? Complete the sentences, make them as interesting as possible. You do not have to mention your name. You have to mention your imaginary name. Like my name is, any cute name you can write here. Then I sleep in, of course, if you are a whale, you can sleep in the water. Then I wake up at. If you are a whale, at what time will you wake up? My best friends are. You have to write the imaginary name of your best friends. Okay. Then in my free time, I do. What do whales do in their free time? Think about it and you have to write. And my hobbies are. You have to write not your hobbies. You have to write the hobbies as a whale. Okay. So do it by yourself. Till then, thank you so much and study well at your homes.